Guys, hey, thanks for coming to the channel. I'm gonna change these bulbs here. One of them is actually out. They're actually LEDs, and looks like aftermarket depot lights, switchbacks. But I want to change them because let's see if I can flip it. It's been acting up on me. I'm surprised the alarms aren't working, but it lights up here, but the turn signal doesn't flash. So it has the DRL, but the turn signals don't flash. So I'm going to be changing them to see if I could make it work, you know. And I'm a fan of last fit. I've been using last fit for most of my previous cars when I do LED upgrades. So hopefully, whoops, that's loud. There won't be a problem. These are switchbacks. You can see the two different colors. The yellow puts out the white, and then the orange is amber. So let's see if these work. I hope they do. This grill right here is open, so it makes it easier for me to access that. So hopefully you have access to that. If not, I believe you could kind of squeeze from the back here if you can, or underneath. But let's see if we can get this closer for you guys. So the hardest part is actually just getting in there, but since I got this access here, it's a little bit easier for me. I think it's lefty, righty. It's actually right, clockwise from the top, I think. I always forget. There we go. And like I said, it had a existing LED before, but it's not working right. So hopefully these will work. Cross my fingers. They're pretty big too, so make sure they should fit. Let's see. Snaps. I could just put my key in here real quick, see if it does anything. So I don't see any output. Let's flip these guys around. Flip it that way. Yep, that's bright. Whoa. So I wonder if the DRL, that's bright, you know, if you saw that. So let's stick it back in. Actually, what does it say, clockwise? So that means it's going to go counterclockwise. Yep. And I noticed the aftermarket, they don't really seem to be as tight as OEM, the socket, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see if we can get the other side. Yeah, man. Come on, tripod. Tripod's all wacky. There you go, tripod. Thank you, Mr. Tripod. Can you guys see? It's a little bright on this side. It's very loose. I think this is. There we go. There you go. So unfortunate that I could just access it through this one's. Whew. Is that hot from the sun or is that hot from touching? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so flip it. Alright, now they work. That's bright. This is all loose. It's so bright I can't even see inside. Well, it didn't say specifically these work as switchbacks for the C5, so I'm hoping that they do work. Yeah. I'm glad I turned off. I couldn't see crap. Okay. Alright, that's secure. So there's a car in front of me, so probably doesn't make it as easy. But let's see. thing I didn't know is that if you have the e-brake off or on, it doesn't turn on the DRLs. So the DRLs are on right now, the DRL mode. So I'm gonna go turn on the turn signal. So that's the turn signal. I noticed that DRLs are actually not white, which is weird. So with the parking light mode on, they're white. But with the off, like totally off, they're not, they're yellow. And with the headlight on, they're also white, not yellow. So it's only in off mode. I mean, it doesn't bother me, but I like them yellow too. So kind of weird though, just noticing it.